3 contact sheets saved here in my scavenger hunt folder. Now you need to give them to me to see and grade. We need to be in a web browser, and we need to be in Google Drive. Remember the first day of class, you all made a folder and you shared it with me for the class. So if I go to shared with me, those are people from my, so you know, there's Nathan's and there's Ben's, so everybody's shared with me. I'm going to pretend I'm you. I'm going to go into my drive and find that folder. I'm going to find that folder. So Nathan's going into his drive, Ben's going into his drive, China's going into her drive, everybody's going into the drive that they shared with me. And again, make yourself a folder. Then simply take your files wherever they are saved, select them, drag them here. You can also do new upload and upload them from your drive. Dragging and dropping is easy though. Then you're going to highlight this URL and you're going to copy it, or Command C if you're on a Mac. Go into the course. I think it's due week 4. Yep, week 4. I'm going to change my view so it looks like you. Go into week 4. Click on the scavenger hunt. Scroll down. Add a submission. Scroll down again. Notice that you can't, I don't even let you attach a file. So you couldn't even attach those files if you wanted to. Then you paste the drive address and hit Save Changes. I'm not a student, so nothing's going to happen. So that's that. Your scavenger hunt is done, and I can grade it. That's it. Bye.